Diyan lang bawal lumabas. Kasi bad dogs ka. At bad cat ka. This is sample video para matest natin yung quality ng camera. So ngayon is medyo gloomy yung panahon. Wala araw. Hapon na. It's already past 6 o'clock. Yun yung bundok. And I heard a lot of animals. That's the house. Open lot. Greenery. Ayun. Yung puno ng mangga sa gilid. Ayun, merong isang ibon. Okay.